Hi, I am Salahuddin Ahmed, a professional data analyst, expertise in SQL or Google Sheet, Power BI, and Tableau. I help businesses clean, organize, and analyze their data to make smarter, faster decisions. From raw spreadsheets to structured dashboards, I turn messy data into clear insights. I hold the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificates, which has sharpened my skills in data cleaning, analysis, and visualization using modern tools and techniques. Whether it's data entry, cleaning large datasets, or building interactive dashboards, I deliver accurate and efficient results tailored to your business needs. If you are looking for someone reliable to transform your data into actionable insights, let's connect. I would love to help your business grow with clean and meaningful data. Thank you for watching. Let's turn your data into power.